The head of Hamas aerial unit, Issam Abu Rukbeh, was killed in an overnight airstrike as confirmed by the Israel Defense Forces and Shin Bet security services. In an overnight operation, IDF fighter jets targeted Asim Abu Raqaba, who served as the head of Hamas aerial array. Raqaba held responsibility for overseeing Hamas UAVs, drones, paragliders, as well as aerial detection and defense systems, the Israeli Defense Forces said. He was notably involved in planning the October 7 attack and commanded the group of terrorists who made an incursion into Israel using paragliders. Additionally, he was also responsible for coordinating drone attacks on IDF posts, the IDF said in the post. On October 14, the IDF announced that it had struck and killed the previous head of Hamas's aerial forces, Murad Abu Murad. The Israel Defense Forces also identified Sergeant Shirel Haimpour, a 20-year-old from Rishon LeZion, as one of the soldiers killed in the October 7 Hamas attack. Her name was cleared for publication after notifying her family. Sergeant Poor served in the Gaza division, and her death brings the total number of soldiers, officers, and reservists killed in the conflict to 311. During the Israel Defense Forces' overnight ground operation in the Gaza Strip, there were several clashes between troops and Hamas terrorists. However, no soldiers were reported injured in these confrontations. Meanwhile, the Israeli Air Force fighter jets attacked about 150 underground targets in the northern Gaza Strip tonight. During the attack, terrorists of the terrorist organization Hamas were eliminated, and combat tunnels, underground combat spaces, and other underground terrorist infrastructures were destroyed, said the IAF in a post on X. The internet access and phone network were completely cut across Gaza Strip as Israeli forces upped their bombardment of the enclave while expanding ground operations in Palestinian territory on Saturday. The Palestinian death toll passed 7,300 as Israel launched waves of airstrikes in response to the bloody Hamas rampage in southern Israel on October 7. The UN General Assembly called for a humanitarian truce in Gaza, leading to halt in Israel-Hamas fighting. The resolution was adopted with 120 nations voting in its favor, 14 against it, and 45 abstaining.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.